Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, two car diagnostic scan tool brands will be going head-to-head. We have the BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Bluetooth Car Diagnostic Scan Tool and the Autel Scanner MaxiCOM MK808. Whether you're a professional mechanic, a car enthusiast, or just someone who wants to avoid expensive diagnostic fees at your local dealership, a car scan tool is one of the best investments you can make. An OBD2 or on-board-diagnostics code reader gives you the ability to troubleshoot various systems and features of your vehicle, such as the airbag, engine, emissions, suspension, anti-lock braking system, and various other components. In today's video, we'll be pitting two top-of-the-line car diagnostic scan tools, the BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Bluetooth Car Diagnostic Scan Tool and the Autel Scanner MaxiCOM MK808, against each other in a battle of epic proportions. Both of these car diagnostic scan tools have earned 5 badges from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, attesting to their quality, durability, and performance. However, there is only one room for a winner, so sit back, relax, and watch as we battle it out in today's brand wars. If you're interested in the other car diagnostic scan tools that we reviewed, do check out our car diagnostic scan tool review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these car diagnostic scan tools will be going toe-to-toe with would be their live data display. When you're troubleshooting what's going on in your vehicle, live data can be invaluable. These can tell the number of times a particular cylinder is misfiring, the amount of air the intake brings in, and more. If you know what you're looking at, you can use these pieces of information to pinpoint problems past a check engine light. The BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Bluetooth Car Diagnostic Scan Tool allows you to view live data and monitor your vehicle's health in real time. You can also configure the data sources, customize your view with various displays and colors, and log and export live data as a file. On the flip side, the Autel Scanner MaxiCOM MK808 also offers live data for all available systems using the supported protocols. The detailed report shows exactly what the problem is and how to fix it, which helps a lot with planning the budget for repairs. As far as responsiveness goes, we feel that the live data display of the BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Bluetooth Car Diagnostic Scan Tool is far superior to its competition. Having said that, it wins this category and earns the first point in this battle. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their diagnostic capabilities. Checking engine lights are one thing, but there aren't the only systems on your vehicle. A basic OBD2 reader can only read engine codes, but an advanced one can read every system in your vehicle. This might not seem like a big deal if you only have a check engine light on, but having a tool that can check every system can bail you out down the road. Even better, this is often one of the first features that manufacturers put in their tools, so it's not too hard to find one that can check every system. The BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Bluetooth Car Diagnostic Scan Tool makes sure to understand the problem with your vehicle. You need the complete picture. With an up-to-date modern scan tool, you scan deeper to read, understand, and clear more codes. It also allows you to access information that's normally only available to professional mechanics on their most expensive scan tools. The Autel Scanner MaxiCOM MK808, on the other hand, is one of the most versatile OBD2 diagnostic scan tool on the market. With its advanced 28 hot service functions, it's sure to serve you well for years on end. Thanks to its numerous hot service functions, the Autel Scanner MaxiCOM MK808 wins this category in a decisive manner. It ties the battle up at one apiece. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their operating system. The operating system or OS of your OBD2 scanner can make or break your user experience depending on what device or digital ecosystem you're on. Additionally, having a widely adopted and understood OS reduces the risk of having difficulties using or reading your scanner in the long run. The BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Bluetooth Car Diagnostic Scan Tool is available for both iOS and Android devices, making it a versatile unit that's ideal for the whole family. The Autel Scanner MaxiCOM MK808 has an Android system, which is familiar and available to most users. You can also benefit from it since it helps control speed and make the Autel scanner more accessible. Since the BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Bluetooth Car Diagnostic Scan Tool is available for both iOS and Android users, we are awarding it as the winner of this category. With that said, the BlueDriver Pro takes the lead once again with a score of 2-1. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their list of compatible cars. Most OBD2 scanners can accommodate a wide range of car brands. Even so, make sure to go through the year, make, and model the scanners can read. If you have several vehicles from different manufacturers, You can get a bang for your buck if you get a scanner that carries the brands you have. The BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Bluetooth Car Diagnostic Scan Tool offers a whopping list of compatible cars. Included but not exclusive to this list are Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, Buick, Saturn, Pontiac, Ford, Lincoln, Mercury, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Toyota, Lexus, Nissan, Infiniti, all Mazdas, and so much more. On the flip side, the Autel scanner MaxiCOM MK808 is compatible with most vehicles manufactured after 1996. Included in the list are Acura, Daewoo, Daihatsu, Honda, Hyundai, Infiniti, Isuzu, Kia, Lexus, Maruti, Suzuki, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Nissan, SsangYong, Subaru, Suzuki, Toyota, GTR, Scion, Chrysler, Ford, GM, Dodge, Jeep, and much more. Although both OBD2 scanners can be used by most automobile users, we feel that the Autel scanner MaxiCOM MK808 offers a bit more as far as compatibility goes. Its long list of compatible cars earns it one more point, tying up the battle now at 2 apiece. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their ease of use. OBD2 scanners can be a little hard to use, especially when you don't have any experience reading them, so it's important to choose a unit that's easy to understand and use right out of the box. Aside from this, the more intuitive the hardware and software design of your unit is, the more you'll find that using is simple and straightforward. The BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Bluetooth Car Diagnostic Scan Tool is one of the easiest to use OBD2 scanners we tested. You simply download the companion smartphone app and plug the scanner into your vehicle. Diagnostics and monitoring are run through the app in its simple interface. Along with conducting basic diagnostic tasks, you can set up customizable monitoring. The Autel scanner MaxiCOM MK808, on the other hand, is quite straightforward to use and can be used in any language. It shows information in text, graph, and analog, so anyone can utilize it for numerous reasons. When we said that the BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Bluetooth Car Diagnostic Scan Tool was one of the easiest to use tools that we've tested ever, we weren't kidding. For that reason, we are awarding it as the winner of this category and giving it the final point in this battle. Finally, we have come to the end of this battle of OBD2 scanners between the BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Bluetooth Car Diagnostic Scan Tool and the Autel scanner MaxiCOM MK808. Even though it was a very tough fight, the BlueDriver Pro beats the Autel scanner MaxiCOM MK808 by a narrow margin of 1 point. As much as we would like to keep going on about the wonderful features these OBD2 scanners offer, there can only be one victor today, and the BlueDriver Pro has already claimed its throne as it waits for yet one more battle with another formidable opponent. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Bluetooth Car Diagnostic Scan Tool and the Autel scanner MaxiCOM MK808 has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next Car Diagnostic Scan Tool face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.